Hello kids. Today we are going to learn something in My First Reader B. So come on, please take out your book My First Reader B. Okay. So in this book we have done this page already. Today we have to do this one. Okay. So before doing this page, what to do? We need to write all these words in the notebook in this manner. Okay, let me show you. Okay, jot down all these words in this manner in your notebook. So before reading these sentences, we need to read such a words. Okay, so come on, read with me. Is written that A is a. A is a. You can say a. O-N on. Come on, read it aloud. O-N on. I-N in. T-H-E the. T-H-E the. A-N-D and. A-N-D and. P-I-N pin. Come on, P-I-N pin. Yeah. B-O-X box. B-O-X box. R-A-T rat. What is this? R-A-T rat. Yes. N-E-T net. N-E-T net. Next, P-E-N pen. P-E-N pen. L-O-G log. Come on, speak up. L-O-G log. M-O-P mop. Yes. M-O-P mop. Yes. Next, B-I-N bin. Yes. B-I-N bin. T-O-Y toy. T-O-Y toy. Come on, read it aloud. M-A-T mat. M-A-T mat. P-U-P pup. What is this? P-U-P pup. B-A-G bag. B-A-G bag. R-A-G rag. Yeah, come on. T-A-P tap. T-A-P tap. M-U-G mug. M-U-G mug. B-E-D bed. Okay, so jot down all these words in your notebook. Okay, just pause the video and start writing in your notebook all these words. Okay, say I can do this. Come on, speak up. I can do this. Yes, you can do. Yes, come on. Now we have completed the reading of these words in the notebook. Now we have a nice work to do. Is written that R-E-A-D read, A-N-D and, M-A-T-C-H match. Read and match. Okay, just read the sentence and match with the picture. Okay, so come on. Number 1 is written a. P-I-N pin. O-N on. A. B-O-X box. Read it. A pin on a box. A pin on a box. Yes, so find out the picture. A pin on a box. So this is the picture. A pin on a box. Okay, this is the right picture. So just match it like this. Yes, yes, yes. You can match these sentences to the objects with the crayons. Okay, like I'm using the pencil, you can use the crayons also. Okay, come on, read it aloud. A pin on a box. Yes. Next, a. R-A-T rat. I-N in. A. N-E-T net. A rat in a net. A rat in a net. Yes, this is the picture. A rat in a net. Match it with this sentence. A rat in a net. Okay, done. Come on, next sentence. A. P-E-N pen. O-N on. A. L-O-G log. Okay. Yes, what is this? Log. A pen on a log. So come on, find out the picture. Yes, this is log and pen is kept on it, no? So this is the object, a pen on a log, a pen on a log. So match this object to the sentence, a pen on a log. Okay, and then next sentence is a mop, mop, and a bin, bin, a mop and a bin. Yes, a mop and a bin. So this is a mop and this is a bin, a mop and a bin. We have this object, this picture to match, yes, this sentence, a mop and a bin. Next sentence, a toy, toy, on, the, mat, mat, a toy on the mat, a toy on the mat. Yes, this picture, a toy on the mat. Yes, match it, yeah, done it. Next, a pup, pup, and a bag, bag, a pup and a bag, a pup and a bag. A pup is there and bag is there, a pup and a bag. Match this picture to the sentence, a pup and a bag. Yes, last second, a rag, rag, on, a tap, tap, a rag on a tap. Okay, so find out the picture. Yes, a rag, this is rag and this is tap, a rag on a tap. Yes, match the picture with the sentence. Yeah, we have done this one also. And last one, a mug, a mug, mug, on, the bed, bed, a mug on the bed. Yes, this is, yes, mug is on the bed, a mug on the bed. Yes, match this picture with the sentence, a mug on the bed. Okay, so student, just read it aloud and match these pictures with the related sentences. Okay, and before doing this work, you have to write all these words in this manner in your notebook and learn these words with the spelling. Okay, thank you, bye bye.